Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last video I will show you how to use in full calendar in a parent side. So in this video we can continue full calendar in a teacher side. So you can see it like is a parent side. We have made like a my student inside. We have created a new menu, means new button, calendar. Calendar is inside. You can see it like a class timetable and exam timetable. So same thing we can do inside a teacher side. Let's log out and log in as a teacher's account. So I just click on the logouts and I log in first admin. So I get an account for the teachers. So go to teachers menu, and after we can copy any teachers. Let's first see what's the teacher we have assigned so we can get the data. So let's go to academies. Inside go to like assign class teachers. So here you can see like teacher 4 we can use, so we can get the data. Okay, so let's log out. I have already copied teacher 4 email address, so I just put here and password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, just wait few seconds. Let's open the database also, so he can load database. Now here you can see it like my class and subjects. So you can see it like here is a subject and time. Also you can see it like a part time. Sorry, we can go to my exam timetables. So you can see it like his exam timetable. We can cover in this video exam timetable. Otherwise we can cover like a my class and subject inside a my class timetable. So let's cover for this video my class timetable. So I can show you how to make a my class timetable in a full calendar. Where is there? I think one class is all 100% there. So let's go to part time. Part time inside I think there. Okay, here is there. So this is the data we need to show inside a full calendar. Which we need to show is the part time means the class name, and also we need to show subject name, and subject name means against we need to show all the data Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so let's create a first menu about the my class timetable. So let's go to views. Inside go to layouts. Inside you need to go like a header blade.php. So let's go down. So we need to copy any place, just go student side and copy, so we can do it quickly. Okay, this is the teachers. So let's go down. Okay, this is the students. I just copy and I can put after my student, my class, my exam timetable. After we can put my calendar, and here I will change student to teacher, and here we need to make an active class. This reason we are using the segment. So just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it is like showing, not showing. Okay, so here showing the my calendar, you can see it like I will click on the my calendar button, so means that not found route. So let's create a new route for this one. So just go to routes, inside go to web.php and just check to student 1. Where is the students? Here is the students. Just copy these routes and paste here, and we can change student to teachers, and here also you can change like a my calendar teachers. So is a all function work different way. Here we can make like a parent side. Before I have made comment, now I can make here comment like a teacher side. Okay, so functions my calendar teachers. So here I will get the teacher ID, so I just make like authentication again. We can get the teacher ID, teachers ID. Otherwise you can say like user ID. Let's say is a user ID because we are saying always user ID. Okay, so inside I can declare auth users ID. Okay, so we can use this like this. Okay, now we need to go to back again and need to go. Let's create a first page and show the my calendar. After I can show you how to make a query. Okay, so just copy these records I think and put here, and here you can change my calendar, and here also you can change like a teacher parent to teachers, and inside we need to create a new file, resources, views. Inside you need to go teachers, and we need to create a new file, my calendar dot blade.php. Okay, so the file successfully created, and we need to go to student inside go to my calendar, and we can copy all the records, all the files, and just paste inside teacher side, and we can remove this the events because we are using the different event here. Okay, so here we already add like a plugin in student side. Suppose you need to see how it's work for this full calendar, so you need to check like a student one. The student side we did my calendar. This time I all thing explain how to download, how to make events, how to make a like calendar, because we are explain again. So it's not good for you, not good for me, because it's taking time and video going to very big, so people don't like why is the video going to bigs. Okay, I hope you can understand. Okay, I just save and I go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like my calendar schools, and inside you can see it like a calendar open. So now we need to make a query and we need to show here like a data about the event data. So let's go to controller again, and after I will explain again. Let's make a first query after I can explain. Okay, so let's go to controller. Inside we need to make a query to get the all the class timetables. Like you can see it like my class and subjects. Inside we can click on the my class timetable. So this is the data we need to get. So let's go to database, and I can explain using the database. We can make like a here common query, one query against we get the all the data. So you can see it like here assign class teachers. Okay, so my teachers, let's open first. Here you can see like a teacher's ID. Suppose my teacher ID like 20, so 20 against what's the class. So just go to like a class, not a class subjects. So 20 against, you can see it like a class subjects, like what is the class ID here? There 20 against 3 numbers. So 3 number class ID, like here's a 3 number class ID. The 3 number class ID against, and to check like exam class subject timetable. So here we need to make another query here like a subject ID against. Okay, so subject 2 2 2 3 3, and here also we have made like 3 3. Here is the join query 3, and after 3 against I get a join query 7. So you can check like a subject ID 7. Here is a 7 subject ID there. So is a data not available. Suppose subject ID 4 available. So is a 4 not available. I think subject ID 2 available in class ID 3. So class ID 3 inside subject ID available 2. So this is the data we can get. Let's make a query so I can show you how it works. Okay, so first we need to make here variable get class timetable, class timetables is equal to, we need to start data assign class teachers. So just you can make assign class teacher model. You need to check this model, where is this model? So just go to app, inside you need to go like models, inside you can see it like assign class teachers models. Okay, and we can declare this class models up like here. Just copy and paste here. So just go down again, get my calendar teachers, get my calendar teachers. So just remove the my calendar teachers. Okay, and here we can pass like a user ID. User ID means whatever user you are logging this ID. So now we need to go to inside a model, and we need to create a new functions. Let's just remove, I think is already there function, but let's create a new function so we can show you everything proper. Okay, so this is the function only for get the subject. With this function we can get the all the date and time. Static function get calendar teachers. Here we can pass like a teacher's ID, because this is the teacher's ID. So let's make a teacher's ID so it's clear. Here is the teacher's ID. Also here you can pass like a teacher's ID. Okay, so here we need to make a return class select. Let's make a star, assign class dot star, because this is a table we can make a stars, because this is a table you can see it here. Okay, now we need to make a join class table again. So just you can copy and paste here. Join class dot class ID is equal to assign class teacher dot class ID, but we don't want to go class ID again. Just we need to go to here like I can open class subject dot class id is equal to assign class teacher inside class id. So we are making join query for this one to this one, so means a 3 into 3. So where is the 3? Here. Okay, so let's make another where query here, where assign class teachers dot teachers id. So teachers id is equal to dollar teachers id here. Okay, and here I can pass like a get, so data we can get. So let's make a show dd device so we can easily understand. Okay, I make a dd now. After I made another query here, means join query. I refresh the page, so you can see like 8 item I can find out. You see like here, class id and teachers id, status is equal to 0 and is delete is equal to 0. We need to make another query here, so let's copy and paste like a up one, and here you can change like assign class teachers. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page. So 8 record found, no issue. Now we can get the data also class subject. So class subject, again this subject id we need to check inside this subject id. So let's make another join query here. So just go down again, not down, just copy the join query, and here you need to change class subject timetable dot subject id. Okay, and class subject inside subject id. Let's go to back again, refresh the page. So let's see, is there any error there? Not error there, but we are getting the 12 error. You can see it like let's change to this one to star class subject timetable, because we need to make this stars. Okay, so just go back again and refresh the page, because we need this data like a start date, end date, this data we need. So just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like we can get the all the data. We also need a class id, means a class name. So just we can copy and change class dot class id is equal to subject s, means a class subject timetable, not class subject timetable, assign class teacher, because we are using this in dot class id, and here you can change class subject dot class id and assign class dot id. Okay, so first we have get the class data against we have get the class subject. Inside we have made a join query is a class id. So class dot name as a class name, because we need a class name, this reasons. Just go back again and refresh the page. So let's open any one, so you can see it here like a class name we have get. You see, now we also need a subject name. So another query we can make a subject name wise. So just go down and just copy subject dot subject id, and inside we need to make like a class subjects subject id. Otherwise you need to make class subject timetable is equal to subject id. Whatever you can use is working 100%, so no issue. Okay, just we make like a subject dot name as alias subject name. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it here. We are getting the data about like a room number also gets, and class name and subject name we have get. Now we need to get a week data, because we need a weeks, because here you can see it like a week id. Where is the week id? Like here class subject timetable. So week id, again we need to make a join query. You can see it here like a subjects. Here you can see it like class, because we have made a join query which we have get the data about the name, subject name and class name. Now we need to get the week name. So just go to week controllers, means week tables, and we need to make here another join query for weeks. So let's go down again and just copy and change to 1 minute. Okay, I just copy week dot id is equal to class subject timetable inside week id, and here I can pass another alias week.name as a week name, and we need also which day I need to show. So we need a full day calendar. So just copy, and here you can type like a week dot full calendar days. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page. So what data I can get, I can show you. Just go down. So let's see, you can see like a full calendar day we can get. So we can get all the data about what we need. This data we can get here: class name, start time, end time, week id, subject id, class id. We don't need, but we also get, we get like a week name, subject name, and class name. Okay, so everything is, I think, is good now. So just go to another, again is the calendars, and we need to put all the data inside calendar. I hope you can understand this query. Suppose you can follow this series, so you 100% understand this query. Okay, so just remove this one dd, and I can make like a data inside a get class timetables, and just go to my calendar. My calendar inside we need to create here events. So let's go to again teachers, means students, and copy this code. Before go to teacher, I can explain what I did. Okay, first of all I will implement like a library file. So you need to go to full calendar.io. Inside you need to download, I can show you full calendar. Let's copy, so I can go very quick, full calendar, and here you can go to first links. After open the Googles, just need to go first links. I just close, I don't need now this one's first links. After you click on the get started, 1 minute is loading, so taking time. Okay, here you can see it like a get started. You click here get started. After you click on the initialize with script tags, so you can see it like here full calendar 6.1.6 zip file you need to download, and here you can see it also I already download. So inside you can go to admin, and here you can go disk, and you need to copy this 2 file and you need to put in your folder. After I call this here 2 files, and after I create a one id calendar, and this calendar id again I use the all the requirement parameter inside a full calendar, because it's a static parameter, he can use his sides. So editable is a false, events means a event array we can create here, and after I create the calendar dot renders. I hope now is clear. So let's create here events. Okay, so just go to again my calendars, and I will create a events. So let's go to again my students. Where is the students? Inside need to go like a my calendar, and just copy this ones, and you can put here, because we have already created here event array inside we can put every data. So here we don't need now this one. Just here you can change, this is the exam timetable, we don't need exam timetable, we just need a get my timetable. So we need a this timetable, just change, remove, and we can change here, and what variable I pass here, get class timetable, and here you can change get class timetable, and here is okay value, no issue, just remove, and also this one remove. So our title is equal to value means name. So what is the name? So just go back, which one we can use, class name. So class name, because this is the teacher side, we need to show class name, also we need to show subject name, so teacher can understand. Okay, this is the class and this is the subjects, so also we can show here subject name. Okay, now we don't, because we are using the objects, so just change to array to objects, and here we also get a full calendar day. So just change this one, and here you can change value, and here we also get a start time and end time. After I can change this variables. Okay, so just change week to value. You can see it like here, just we need a like subject name, class name, and start time, end time, and full calendar day here. So we know okay how to work day of week, I already explained. So I can go database again and I can show you. Here is a week database. Where is the week database? Okay. Suppose do you want to use a week wise open. So Sunday means 0, Monday means 1, Tuesday means 2. Same like you can see it like 0 to 6. So we can pass here like a 0 to 6 value. You can see it like 1 means Monday. You see. So let's go back again, save the file and refresh the page. So we can check here, is the data open, cannot open, means the inside full calendar event show or not show. 100% show because we did it proper way. You can see it like, just you click on the week wise, so you can see it like, okay, 8 to 12 part-time languages. Suppose I go to my class subject, so you can, I can show you everything proper way. Okay, and inside you need to go to part-time. Here showing the part-time always, so just go to part-time. So part-time inside home economics. So let's go inside and check. So part-time inside home economics, you can see Monday 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So just you can see like a part-time inside home economics. Where is the home economics? You can see it here, 9 to 11. You see, I just you can go 9 to 11 also there. Yes, here there you see 9 to 11. Today is a Sunday data we can check in like this here. You see 9 to 11 Sunday. Suppose Monday, so what is the Monday here? So like 9 to 10. So you can see it like a Monday inside 9 to 10. You see. Suppose I go to list view, day wise. So day wise is a 2 class there, same time 11 to 12. One is a part time against and one is a SS2 because I am using the dummy data. This reason showing. Let's go to subject controller, means subject tables. Inside I can change to here. He making a space because this is the he converting. I am not converting anything. This reason arts and science. Where is the arts and science? Okay, he converting like this one because I am not doing, so I don't know. Okay, this is the class, not a subject. So let's go to class. I think something there. Yes, because this is the and he can converting. This reason. Let's change to and to like and. Okay, perfect. Just go back again and refresh the page. So I think this is the error can solve because he can doing is a full calendar. Oh, suppose teacher is no, he is okay. I am teacher, so I go to here and I can just click on the day wise, so I can see it like, okay, today is a this day or my timetable. After I can change again, so you can see it like Sunday. What's the my timetable? Part time 8 to 12, another SS2 8 to 12 and 9 to 11 again part time in home economics. Here's the English language. So I think this clearly data I can show you. Also you can see it Monday is a 9 to 10, 9 to 10, 9 to 10, 9 to 10. Like a part-time English language I need to explain. Also I need to explain home economics. Also I need to explain mathematics. And also I need to explain English language in a SS2 class. So it's very difficult. You can see it like is here part-time because here is showing the part-time wise record. You can see it. But this is I have made a dummy data. This reason I am not checking the timetable wise. Otherwise I will checking the timetable wise. Okay, so I hope you are clear, like month wise, week wise, day wise and list wise. You can see it here, and list wise you can also can see it like whatever data we had. Suppose this is the data May 1, so what data do you need to learn? May 2, May 4, May 5, today is a May 6, so it's 2 class there. May 7, so you can see it like 3 classes I need to explain. May 8, oh, lots of class I need to explain. There's lots of data see here. Okay, so in this video I have explained my class timetable, whatever data inside there here, like my class and subject inside my class timetable. This is the all the data I will show inside here. Also class name, also subject name. Again I show time, just you need to go week and you can see it. Otherwise you need to go day, so you can see it. But right now by default I use a month. Otherwise do you want to change it? So initialization view you can change to time grid to week. Suppose you can change day grid to month, so like this show. Otherwise time grid to week. By default showing the day grid to month. Just refresh and I will change time grid week, so you can see it like a week wise data. Oh, I have not saved this file. This reasons I save the file now and I go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it here. You see, by default you can choosing the weeks, but by default he can working as a month because I have made a comment. This reasons I hope now you have clear all things and you can understand easily. And do you have any questions, so please comment. I will always answer. And do you want to like this video, so please like. Do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And do you want to see like this other student like this, so please share our link so everybody can learn a new thing by schools.com. And I hope you can enjoy, and thank you for watching.